21 of GoMining's MinerWars. Pretty obvious by the thumbnail and the title. And we are sitting pretty at about 8 straight weeks of rewards now, not including this current week. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. That's not even including this current week. Technically 9. We're technically at 9 straight weeks of current Bitcoin rewards. So it is what it is. You know, if you've yet to join our Discord, the link will be in the description below. You do not have to be in the clan to join it. We literally talk about everything. There's off topic. We talk about stocks, trading, liquidity providers, airdrop farming. You can even go on the off topic if you want. You can be a DGen, do some gambling, be a DGen with some trading. We're just a community. We're a community of finance, and everyone's free to join. We have lots of members already, and we're looking to gain more members every single day. But if you do want to start mining Bitcoin on GoMining, well, guess what? The referral link will be in the description below as well. You get 5% off your first miner purchase. So if I were you, buy a few hundred terahash. If you got the money for it, go for it. Get that money back. As Grant Cardone says, go get that money. Our total Bitcoin rewards are sitting at 0.0204258.6. It's actually looking pretty nice. The conversion rate of that is $1,769.39. I like that 69 in there. Come on, Bitcoin, let's get that price up. Get mad. Past 5 days, not bad. That's still a shitty month. And our pool payout for this week was 0.00021359 Bitcoin. And we got the full reward, of course, because we pay our electricity and service fees with our GMT. You want to know why we do that? Because instead of getting a 4.5% discount, we're getting an 8.5% discount. Again, save that money. Showing USD, that is $17.61. That's pretty damn good if you ask me. Although that is below what we would have made in solo mining for a week. But let's do a little bit of math here. So right here in solo mining, a daily payout would be $5.68. And now that is before the electricity and service fees. So we're going to do 5.68 times 7. Now you want to divide it by 2 usually, because that's usually how much it costs. And you're looking at about $19.88. So $19.88 minus the $17.61 that we got. We were only off by $2.27. So some weeks you will make less than what you would have in solo mining. But guess what? There'll be other weeks that'll make up for that by a tenfold. Like we saw at the beginning, we were making 5-10 times what we would have in solo mining. So just because this week we made less, the beginning weeks already made up for this. It already made up for it. But there's some people that are so short-minded and like closed-minded that they immediately go, oh, I made a few dollars less this week than what I would have in solo mining. I'm going to go leave. And then the funny part is, as soon as they leave, boom, we win a block. And I go, thank you for the extra rewards, everyone. All because you wanted more. You decided to leave. Guess what? You got less. It's just amazing how greed happens. But nonetheless, let's move on to our GMT payouts. So this week for clan ownership, we got about 63.24 GMT, and that comes out to about $27.95. And so far, I've gotten about 328.28 GMT as clan ownership. But if you've been here long enough, you know that I've been doing giveaways with miners, and I've actually spent about 424.59 GMT on 4 miners for giveaways. So that means I've actually spent about 100 more GMT than I've gotten as the owner of the clan, and I only do that just so people know that I'm willing to reinvest into the clan more so than just take that money and run with it. And now time for our ROI calculation with a total investment of $3,830.95 USD. Now that's converted from Canadian, and since the exchange rate is always changing, so is this USD price. So 1% of this equals 38.3095. Our total rewards with our Bitcoin and GMT together is $2,770.68 USD. And to calculate our ROI, we're going to get our rewards, and we're going to divide it by 1% of our investment. So we're going to see how many times 1% goes into our total rewards. So we do 2,770.68 divided by 38.3095, which equals 72.32, which means our ROI is at 72.32%. I love that number. It's finally above 70, but that's because Bitcoin price came back up. It finally fucking came back up a little bit. Now let's see that price keep coming back up more. If it can get back up above the monthly percentage, you know, which is down 7%, then I think we'd be looking closer to 85 to 90% on our ROI. That's what I think. So once again, the link for the Discord will be in the description below, and the referral link will also be down below. And if you are going to sign up with the referral link down below, or you already are signed up, feel free to join the clan. We got 52 members. We're sitting shy of about 5,000 terahash, 19 blocks won already, 0.05 Bitcoin distributed, and 5,824 GMT distributed. Come win your first block and come get some personal GMT. It's always nice to see it, and we'll see you guys soon. Have a good one.